Hello John, welcome back. In this tutorial we are going to be talking about one of the most useful tags in HTML, which we are going to be using a lot, which is the heading tags. Now let's quickly dive into it. Maybe you have heard of it before in my previous video, or if you have seen it one way or the other, but we definitely need some information more about how to use them. So now let's get started. The first thing to do here is to open a new folder, and then you can just quickly give it a headings. Why is the headings? Yeah, because they are not, it's not just single one heading. We have some form. So now the next thing to do here is to open this folder inside my code editor. Then quickly close this place up. Then open this index.html. After doing this, I should definitely bring my document, HTML document structure, and then I should change the title to headings. Perfect. So what are the headings we have? We have the H1, which is the heading 1. As the name suggests, headings have both opening and closing tag. As you can see, this is the heading 1 opening tag, and this is the heading 1 closing tag. And then I can just next any content I want inside here, which I'll be nesting. Let me see. My name is Prince. So now let's quickly open up a browser and then see what we have in there. So I can copy part, and then I paste what I copied already, and you can see it appears very bold and big. Yeah, you can see it's very big and bold. Yeah, that's the difference between heading and paragraph tag. You can see it's a lot more bigger and bolder than the paragraph tag. So, and then is that all? No, we have from heading 1 to heading 6, which we'll be adding now, and you're going to tell me the differences before I tell you what is the differences. So let me quickly add heading 2, and then I can say this is awesome. Then I should just be adding heading 3 also, which is code alumni, and then heading 4, which says I like this tutorial, and then let's quickly add heading 5 also, heading 5, which says I will become a web developer. And then heading 6, which is the final one, and said because it is interesting. Now let's save and see what we have inside a browser. Then after viewing what we have inside a browser, you can quickly tell me differences. I don't know how you are going to tell me, but maybe you should just type it inside the comment section. So before I tell you what are the differences. Now let's go to the browser and refresh. Well. So you can see here we have our heading 1, which we have already before, and then this heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, and heading 6. So what's the differences? I don't know. Type in your differences in the comment section. Now let me quickly tell you what are differences from my own side. Heading 1 is the biggest and it is boldest, followed by the heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, heading 6. As they are becoming more, the number is increasing, the size and the boldness is decreasing. Heading 1, which is the biggest, heading 2 not that big, heading 3 not that big, heading 4 not up to heading 3, heading 5 not up to heading 4, and then heading 6, which is the smallest and less bolder. So now, and then the next thing you notice is headings are what are block elements, because you see now when we add the heading 1, it takes a full width of the browser initially. Down the second one also go to another line, the third one, the fourth line, they didn't go in front of each other because they are block elements. So I believe with this you have understand what headings do, and you know when to use heading 1 and you know when to use the other headings. It depends on how big do you want your text to be. So if you enjoyed this YouTube tutorial, kindly like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.